Welcome to Cleethorpes. Here we have the lollipop train. Yes, we know children love lollipops. Well, I'm loving this journey. Yeah? Now, I'm still at Cleethorpes and the tide is going out. Maybe the tide is turning. Who knows? Will the people wake up? Will they smell the coffee? Smell the roses? Or just bury their heads in that lovely sand on the beach, hoping their problems and nightmares will go away? I can assure you people, we need to stop this. Only we can do this. Free will, free minds, free souls. This is Sovereign Man. Loving you all. Bye.